Okay, so the next example is if a client sends you a file that you don't have, but you have the two separate files. So just as an example, let's say, for example, someone has sent me a stage 2 EGR delete. Now, in my database, I don't have a stage 2 with the EGR delete, but I have a stage 2 file there. And I have a EGR delete file here that's a 90% match. So all I have to do in this case is click apply. And what the system will do now is it will take the EGR file for me and add it to my stage 2 file and then send that to the client. But what I can also do is I can go update in WinOls and I can go and select the EGR file and I can go ahead and select all my stage 1 files and all my stage 2 files. And what this system, so if in this case, what the system will do is if I click create new, it will go ahead and find all these stage 1 files up until 80% match, and it will add the EGR file for me to that file. And it will take all my stage 2 files and add that EGR file to it. So just to, so I'll leave those two for you. And then what I'll do is, just as an example, here's my WinOls database. Okay, so I just want to show you a snapshot in my WinOls database at the moment. So you'll see there's the EGR file that's 90% match. And there's, for example, a stage 2 file and a stage 1 V2 and a stage 1 V2 and a stage 1 V2 and a stage 1 V2. But none of these projects have EGR files added into them. So what I'll go ahead and do now is I'm going to just close this and move it away. And I will go ahead and update my WinOls database with the selection we've made. So if I go update the EGR file and we want to add that onto the stage 1 V2 file and onto I'll just select the stage 1 for now. So I'll go ahead now and click create new. So we'll let the system run now, and once it's updated, then I will show you another snapshot of the WinOls database to show you what projects the system was able to create. So now after the system is processed, you'll see now there's a stage 1 EGR file in that project. There's that file doesn't contain it. There's a stage 1 V2 EGR, 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 stage 1 V2 EGR. So it's very nice. The system was able to copy those files for me and create the new stage 1 version 2 for me.